Drove around driving through puddles. Amazing.
Now what?
This is my fucking lawn.
What?
He's fucking digging it. Just go other way.
What, this pavement?
Yeah. This fucking lawn here from here to here.
I move over 2 foot and then it's pavement.
I don't give a flying fuck. If it's fucking... Fuck like you. Why are you going other way? Eh? Fucking fool.
Hey, oh.
What?
Still here.
What fucking up? What's it fucking look like?
What, it's raining?
Eh?
It's raining.
It's fucking raining. It's not like you driving about. Eh? On fucking grass surface. Eh?
Can't see it's grass though, it looks like pavement to me. That what? Is that right? What? Whatever I fucking want.
Where are you going to go here?
Where am I going to go here? Not your problem. Not your problem.
Where are you going to go?
When this guy moves, straight for it. What? What's up here? What's up here?
What's up?
Yeah.
You're in my fucking garden here.
Right, hang on a sec. 2 seconds. Right, we're off it now, pal. Why not?
Let me show you this.
Don't want to get a tape measure out. Don't want to get a tape measure out. I'm glad. I don't get a fuck.
Answer the phone, please.
Phone, please. Phone, please. Go on, do something about it. Do something about it then. Do something about it then. I don't know. Do what you want to do to me. Do what you want to fucking do to me. What? You're smiling now. Hey! Who's smiling? Your land or not, I'm fucking riding on it. You might have a fucking stick in your hand, but that's no problem. You might have a stick in your hand, but that's no problem. A stick, brush, put up your fucking arsehole, you cunt.
Fucking twat.
Go around, fucking whack him.
Yeah, if you want. I got it on video anyway.